Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Weng Sensei, your online tutor. Our expression of the day is, my lips are sealed. Let's begin. We use the expression, my lips are sealed, to say that we will not disclose a secret to anyone. Example conversation. Don't tell mom that I borrowed money. Okay, my lips are sealed, but next time don't overspend. Complete this conversation using the video. Use my lips are sealed in your response. Let's try this. I want to surprise my wife. Don't tell her yet that I bought the car. Type your answer on the comment section. For tomorrow's expression of the day, we will use, what do you have in mind? Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get your daily expression of the day. Like and share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. Again, this is Weng Sensei, your online tutor.